Located on the western coast of the Iberian Peninsula, Portugal is one of Europe's most visited countries due to its idyllic climate, affordable travel costs, and exceptional attractions. It is the westernmost sovereign state in mainland Europe, being bordered to the west and south by the Atlantic Ocean and to the north and east by Spain. Its territory also includes the Atlantic archipelagos of the Azores and Madeira, both autonomous regions with their own regional governments. The official and national language is Portuguese. Portugal population is 10.27 millions. Portugal capital is Lisbon and currency is Euro. Dialing code is +351. Portugal president is Marcelo Rebelo de Sousa. Portugal head of government, Portugal Prime Minister is Antonio Costa. 1 euro equal to 89.17 Indian rupees. Total area square meter is 35,609. Total area square kilometer is 92,226. Density persons per square meter in 2020 is 288.7. Density persons per square meter in 2020 is 111.5. Urban rural population. Urban in 2020 is 43.3%. Rural in 2020 is 56.7%. Life expectancy at birth, male in 2017 to 2019 is 78 years and female in 2017 to 2019 is 83.5 years. Portugal is the oldest nation state on the Iberian Peninsula and one of the oldest in Europe. In the 15th and 16th centuries, Portugal established the first global maritime and commercial empire. Portugal has developed a specific culture while being influenced by various civilizations that have crossed the Mediterranean and the European continent, or were introduced when it played an active role during the age of discovery in the 1990s and 2000s decade. Portugal modernized its public culture facilities in addition to the Calouste Gulbenkian Foundation established in 1956 in Lisbon. Portuguese peoples loved ice creams. Football is the most popular sport in Portugal. There are several football competitions ranging from local amateur to world-class professional level. Luis Figo and Cristiano Ronaldo, who won the FIFA Ballon d'Or, are two world-class Portuguese football players. Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.